So if it breaks $8.70 resistance, like right off the bat, I'll go in with like full size on Wafu. That's the only real overhead resistance aside from that $15 level.
Yeah, I start my size on Wafu at 7, which means I can only get 3 shares. But shit, I'll.
Free shares?
Yeah, my Weeble account only has $24 in it right now.
But free stuff for signing up.
Yeah, that's why my CPU usage is low. That should make it a little bit better.
So GSX is this Chinese education company with a $15 billion company, and they've gone from 56 to $88 per share the last 2 days. And Wafu moved on sympathy with GSX and just the education sector in China.
All right, that makes sense. I think it can keep going today. Then you're gonna have people who are dumb shorts and try to short on a Friday. How many people do you think it's overextended? Up almost 100% yesterday. Well, it's up almost like 50 to 75% right now.
Certainly. Damn hiccups. What was that company?
Do what?
That also. That was
Alright.
gonna have contracts
Man, you're breaking in and out.
with like all these Chinese
Aaron, you're breaking in and out, man.
schools. Like the supposed free
I don't see
school saying
anybody.
waffle to
Yeah,
move.
I guess that's right.
Can anybody hear me?
I have an order ready.
There's already
300.
1,000 in it to buy at 5.
For
Yeah. Yeah, I could go in with 1,000 as well.
wait,
That's my buying power right now.
what are y'all talking about? I completely missed everything.
Wafu, there's a order in it of 1,000 at $5.
You really think that's going to go down to 5? Maybe 6.
That's, there we go.
And yeah, here we
20.
do go. Alright, checking out Wafu.
The order's gone.
Let's see what happens. Alright, we are live on.
Holy shit, VRME is up 3,300%.
Was this reverse split?
That's gotta be incorrect. That does not look. What the fuck? Wafu's not moving yet. I do see it at 636 though. Now on my active trader. Ooh, it's gonna take all those asks piling in on Wafu.
Are you seeing any movement on your 4 a.m. chart?
I'm seeing shit pop up, but there's not really much movement yet on Wafu. PSV.
Started 800 shares. Not really moving. The only thing like on my watch list moving is
PSV
BNGO.
is moving.
Which one?
Yep. I was waiting for the chart to load.
There we go. Benzinga showing me some of my movers.
Yeah, it's not apparently a top gainer. Okay, I see how to read the chart now for level 2, the graph itself.
See, I knew B and GO would have been a good one. Check Wafu out. I mean, honestly, it just dropped down.
CCI just
Start
indicated
engine, is that
it's
moving yet?
negative 100. Alright, that's cool. That's cool.
Nope.
And Bingo was his name. Oh. I would like space to stay under 19. Go back below 1950.
Nope.
So I can get a nice call option at 1950. I don't think it'll go. It could go to 20, but god damn it, it's at 1975 now. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Eric. Here you go. Wafu's up 25%. Here. I'm going to get in Wafu.
On 12%.
Ramped up on 15-minute.
Alright, ladies and gents. Let's see what happens.
Watch those today.
Yeah, it's
Probably
definitely
the short.
Angio, 60 cents a share now. And this is why I want to open up an E-Trade account. Like, so I can trade, like, penny stocks.